Hey everyone, so if you are currently copying a large file from an iPhone to a Windows PC, you might encounter this problem. It could say anything like catastrophic failure or requested value cannot be determined and other things. So a couple of possible solutions for that is the first one, you go to your iPhone and then go to settings, scroll down a bit until you reach apps and then go to photos. Then scroll down. So in this section, there's transfer to Mac or PC. By default, it will select automatic. So you switch it to keep originals. So the idea is to make the iPhone not to think about how to transfer the file. So we just keep the original file. And then second, on your Windows PC, you might want to go to Microsoft Store and then install these Apple devices. So you install it and open it up. It will look like this. And then you plug in your iPhone. If it is the first time you plug in your iPhone, you might have the option to trust the computer or not. So after you trust the computer and then verify the Face ID, you will arrive at this page. So just leave it like this. Based on my experience, this will make the connection more stable. And then you can copy the file like usual. So you go to this PC and then Apple iPhone and then choose the file that you want to copy. So for example here, I'm viewing the details and then I want to get my latest file just now. I select this file and then copy it like usual and then see if it is more stable for you. So if it doesn't work for you still, then couple of other solutions include to restart your computer, to restart your iPhone, change USB port or change the USB cable. As you can see, the copying is successful. And then another more reliable solution is to split the big file or this particular video into two. So it is very easy to do on your iPhone. Using the video editor, you can cut this part, create a split basically, and then save the video as a new clip and also do the same thing for the other split. Okay, so after you do all that, you can actually see on your iPhone when you connect it to Windows PC, then the file actually splits into several parts according whether you split it into 2 files or 3 files. They will appear listed in different subfolders, but the naming will be the same. So you just copy this as usual and it will be much lighter for your PC. So that's all I have for you. Thank you guys. Subscribe.